Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a checkout page on Wix. Let's get started. So for example, you head over to the actual site of your website. And for example, your website is a store and you try to check out all of your products. Then in here, you can see what it looks like. So for example, I will just head over to the all products page of my actual website. And then in here, I can actually add to cart all of the products that I want in here. So for example, I can click on this product and then I can add this specific product to my cart. So let's select a color first, then add this. And then in here, you can see that you can view your cart. And under your cart, you should be able to see a checkout. There's a checkout right here. If you click on this, it will redirect you to this page. But as you can see, they say that we can't accept online orders right now. This is because you haven't set up yet your settings for this specific checkout page. So in order to set up that, just head over again to our Wix website editor. Then click on this add apps right here. Under the add apps, you can see the Wix app market. And then from in there, you should be able to see this search bar. So search in here for Wix Store. And then from in there, we can click on this Wix Stores right here. And then from in there, we can actually add this to our website. So as you can see, I already added that. But the painful mistake that I have made is I haven't added in a actual payment method. So in order to add that specific payment method, we can head over to our Wix dashboard. And then from in here, we can see everything. So just head over to your billings and payments. And here you can see your billings and payments as well, your sales channel, as well as your settings. Now you can see this exclamation point under your settings. This is where you want to actually edit it. So the exclamation point falls along this accept payments. This because we haven't connected the payment method yet, so customers won't be able to pay us and won't be able to accept an order for us. Let's click on this, and then from there, it will open this site. And then in here, you can just connect a payment method that you prefer. So you can choose PayPal as well as manual payments. So you can click on this PayPal right here. And then from here, you can see the fees. And in here, you can connect your PayPal. You can see a step-by-step guide in order to connect it. You can put in here account information, which is your email address. So for example, let's add in here my email address. And then as you can see, once we have added that, we need to click on connect and we will be redirected to PayPal. And then we just need to log into our PayPal account and we will be able to integrate PayPal on our Wix. Once you have integrated your actual PayPal, you should be able to accept payments from customers all over the world. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because this helps reach more people. See you soon.